guys, welcome back to the Maybelline Makeup Loft. My name is Senay. I probably look new here and that is because I am new to the Makeup Loft. So basically over the next few months I will be doing some videos for you guys, which I'm so excited about. I'm so excited to just get started. Also feel free to comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see, because I would love to take some ideas and suggestions on what I should be filming over the next few months. So in today's video I filmed this kind of glam date night makeup look, and we are featuring the SuperStay Matte Ink lip just because it is kiss proof, and if you are kissing anyone, at least your lip is still going to look really good afterwards. But anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Maybelline's channel here so you can stay updated every time we upload new Maybelline Makeup Loft videos. And let's get straight into the makeup tutorial. Okay, so we're starting off with a bare face, and I'm going to start with lip balm because as you can tell my lips are so dry, and they are always so dry. And now I'm going to take my Master Brow Pro palette and I'm going to go in with the wax first, just so I do have like a sticky base before I go in with the powder, just so it does stick a little bit better. And now going in with the powder, I'm just going to start filling in my brows like normal. So for me, brows are such an important step in doing my makeup because I just feel like it frames my face and pulls everything together. So now taking my Master Conceal Concealer, I'm just going to clean my brows up and just carve out the bottom. So now taking my Fiber Volumizing Mascara for my eyebrows, this just adds texture to my brows, and because my brows are so sparse, it does definitely help to make them look a little bit more real. And now I'm going to take that concealer and just put that all over my eyelid as an eye base. So once we've blended out all that concealer with our makeup sponge, I'm going to take the Nudes palette and start off with the cream shade and just set down that concealer. This will really help to make the shadows go on really smoothly. I'm now going to go in with a fluffy brush and start running that taupe color through my crease as a transition shade. And to start deepening up the look, I'm going to take this chocolate brown color and start working this on the outer corner and crease. Now I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush just so I've got a little bit more precision, and I'm going to start working this on the outer corner and crease like I did with the brown, just to continue deepening up this look. And for the lid color, I'm going to take this Maybelline shadow in Gold Crush. It is such a gorgeous color, and I love that it does bring light to the eyes. Even though we're going quite smoky, we can still kind of open the eyes up with this shade. I'm now going to take a makeup wipe and start cleaning up my eyeshadow just so I get a clean, crisp line, and then I'm going to go back in with my eyeshadows like the browns and the blacks, and I'm going to start focusing this on the lower lash line. I'm going to do this now before I do foundation just so it's a little bit easier. And now I'm going to put some eyeliner on. This is the Curvitude liquid liner, and I'm going to do like a winged liner today. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to use the Big Shot mascara, put on some false lashes, and then we'll move on to the face makeup. To start off my base, I'm going to prime with the Master Prime, and this is the Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm going to put this on the T-zone area where I have the largest pores, and then I'm also going to use my Illuminating Primer. I just want to give my face a bit of luminosity underneath that foundation. So for foundation, I used the SuperStay foundation, and I was trying to color match myself because obviously I've got fake tan on my body and I always put it on my face, but it seems to just come off. I ended up mixing the shades Warm Honey and Sand to kind of just get my perfect shade, and then I'm just kind of blending that out with a sponge. For concealer, I'm going to take my Age Rewind concealer. This is one of my faves. I'm going to start by putting this under my eyes and on the sides of my nose. I'm going to blend this out before I do anywhere else because I find it does dry quite quickly. And after I've blended that out, I'm going to put that also on my chin and around my mouth and also my forehead. To set my face and under eye area, I'm going to use the Master Fix powder, and I really like this one because it does kind of have like a little yellow tinge to it, and I just really find it brightens my under eyes. I like to put it around my smile lines as well just to prevent that area from creasing, and then I just dust the excess over the rest of my face. Now to bring a bit of color back to my face, I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I'm just going to focus this on the outer perimeters of the face, just around my cheeks and kind of jawline, and also my forehead. Taking this blush in 15, I'm going to put this on my cheeks. I really like this one because it does have a bit of shimmer, so I feel like it brings a bit of glowiness back to my face. And now I'm going to take the Master Sculpt. I almost forgot to contour, and like I just remembered last minute. I'm just going to bring a bit of shape back to kind of like my cheekbone area, and I also will do a little bit of contouring on my nose with this as well. So this is probably my favorite part. I'm going to use the Master Chrome highlighter, and oh my god, this stuff is gorgeous. If you're after like a blinding highlight, this is probably for you because it's just beautiful. I can't stop staring at myself. So what I'm doing with this is just hitting all the high points on my face, like inner corners, cupid's bow, on my nose, cheekbones, all that kind of stuff, and just kind of putting it everywhere else because I can't get enough of it. To complete my eyes, I'm going to do a little bit of touching up because obviously the concealer covered a little bit of that lower lash eyeshadow. So I'm just kind of going over and just re-smoking it out. Taking my Studio Gel Liner, I'm going to put a little bit in my waterline, not too much because I feel like that makes my eyes look a little bit small. And then I'm going to finish off with mascara. And for my lips, I'm going to use the SuperStay Matte Ink lip. This one's in the color Loyalist, and honestly guys, this stuff doesn't come off. So like I said at the beginning, if you're kissing anyone, it ain't going anywhere. So I highly recommend. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm so happy with how it turns out. I think it's perfect for a glam date night look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Maybelline channel to stay updated with all the new videos. And I should see you guys really soon. Bye.